Welcome to our channel, Level 6 Fabrication. My name is Chris, and this is our project, Bentley GT Continental. Throughout the build of this, you're going to see the teardown. We're going to build a whole bunch of stuff out of carbon. We're going to swap power plants. We're going to make this a really cool project. So for us in recording land, today's Monday. What a great way to start the week. We're here at Detailed Solutions, a friend of ours. As you can see, this beautiful facility, they heard about our project and they wanted to be a part of it. They said, you know, that lines up pretty much with the way we love to do things. We love cars, we love projects, we like fancy cars, we like Euro, we love imports, we love domestics, new, old, vintage, all that kind of stuff. And we're going to make use of this beautiful facility to show you this build. Really looking forward to it. This is my first time on camera, so deal with me. I move my hands a lot. I'm Italian, which a lot of people say, well, why you build a Bentley then? Well, for those of you who've ever owned a Bentley or been inside a Bentley, these are beautiful machines. Like, I love my Ferraris, I'm not gonna lie, I've had a few of them. But when you see the way that these cars flow and they're put together, you go inside the interior and just those dashes, there's presence, there's just this elegance, this luxury that comes with that Bentley brand. Not only is the interior beautiful, but under the hood here, we have a W12. It's not the V8 model. And that thing hauls this car around pretty damn well for 5,100 pounds. So, yeah, we're going to get into the builds shortly. If you got any ideas for us? A lot of people are going to ask, why are you cutting up a Bentley? Well, the only thing prettier than a Bentley is a Bentley GT3, if you've ever watched the GT series in Europe. That is a gorgeous car. So enjoy, like, subscribe, all those cool things that you do to help us grow the channel. We really appreciate it. Thank you very much.